So guys, I just wanted to today give you a little brief refresher of putting this all together before we go into tomorrow's activities. This will be a rather short video. These are the two problems that you had to do. I'm really disappointed that only 5 of you did this work. I mean, come on. But anyway, as far as the others of you that did not do the work, here's what you should have done. First off, the first step was to determine n function. So you would do f of 1. You plug that in and into x cubed, so I get 1 cubed, which is 1. Okay, so that means that it is on the right hand side is going up. And then I do f of negative 1. And again, it's just the leading coefficient, so I put in negative 1 cubed, and that is negative 1. So it gives me the left-hand side going down. Okay, then the next thing that you need to do is to find your zeros. Well, in order to do that, you set the function equal to 0. So 0 equals x cubed minus 9x. So 0 equals x times x squared minus 9. And I get x times x minus 3 and x plus 3. So I get 3 zeros. I get 0, I get 3, and I get negative 3, and they all have a multiplicity of 1. So now I just draw my little picture. Oh, and then I also find the y-intercept, f of 0, plug in 0 for x. If I plug in 0 for x, I get 0 minus 0, I get 0. So I get a point at 0, 0 also. Alright, so I have negative 3, I have 0, and I have positive 3. I know I have a point right here, so I'll put that point there. And I know that on this side is going down, so it'll pass through negative 3. I know that it'll go down through 0, and then I know this way it's going up, so it's got to come up through 3. That's it. That's all you had to do for that problem, guys. And here's the other problem. F of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared. So f of 1, I mean, we've got the exact same thing at x cubed, so, I'm going to assume that you can still do the problem the same. So on the right-hand side, we're going up, and then and then on the left-hand side, we're going to be going down. We set it equal to 0. Here's where some of you had some difficulty. X cubed minus 3x squared, and it wasn't with the factoring. You all factored it right, but some of you just didn't quite understand what multiplicity is still. Okay, so I get x squared equals 0. The way I look at this is I take the square root of both, so I get x equals plus or minus 0. So that gives me a 0 with a multiplicity of 2. And then I hit x equals 3. I plug in 0 again, I get a point 0, 0. Now, x equals 3 is a multiplicity of 1. So then, just drawing my picture, got negative 3, positive 3, and I've got 0. Now I know it's going down through negative 3 because it's got to be falling. Now, what does that mean? Because it's got to go through there. That means it's going to come down, it's going to bounce off the 0. Okay. Let's look at that graph again. I was getting myself confused with the last problem. Sorry about that, guys. The only zeros I have, or the only places I have, are 3 and 0. Okay. I know that it's falling, so it's got to be coming this way on the left-hand side. Well, but the thing is, it bounces off of this and comes back down, but it's got to turn again and go back up. So basically, it's just going to bounce up like this, come down a little bit, and then turn and go back up. And that's it, guys. That's all you really had to do. Like I said, if you are watching this and you didn't do this the first time, it's a little disappointing. We're not done yet, unfortunately. We still have 2 more weeks. So hang in there. I've told you everything we're going to be doing, and be prepared for drawing circles tomorrow. Thanks.